In this video, I will be showing you how to use slash commands in Gamma AI. Let's get started. I'm starting here on my dashboard and will click to open my project titled Video AI Tool. As the workspace loads up, I want to add some new content to this presentation. I'll navigate over to the left-hand sidebar and click on the new button to insert a fresh blank card into the deck. To access the shortcut menu, I'll click directly into the card and type a / on my keyboard. This action immediately brings up a comprehensive list of elements I can add. As I scroll through the menu, you can see options for everything from basic text and headings to more advanced features like callout boxes, tables, and media embeds. I want to add a visual way to display some data, so I'll scroll down to the chart section and select column chart. Gamma automatically generates a clean, interactive chart for me. I can hover over the different bars to see specific revenue details for each region. And there you have it. That's the complete process of using slash commands in Gamma AI. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.